Hi, I'm Carla Dennis. I'm America's tax advisor, and I want to talk to business owners today about some of the struggles they've been having with dealing with trying to achieve their SBA loans. And I'm here with my son, Carlton Dennis, who's also a tax strategist. Hey, Carlton.
How's it going? How you guys doing today?
All right. So, Carlton, you take a lot of the phone calls that come in the office from clients, business owners. What are they saying to you?
Yeah, what I'm noticing is most business owners are unsure of whether or not they qualify for the SBA loan, and they're not sure whether or not they should be talking to an advisor to get the SBA loan.
That's really interesting. A lot of our clients have talked to us, and we've reached out to a lot of our clients because we are their advisor. And one of the things I know you've been telling clients is that they need to have a trusted relationship. Why is that trusted relationship so important?
The trusted relationship is so important is because the verbiage that is being released in the SBA loan can be very tricky to the small business owner. So they're not sure whether or not they qualify because they're not sure how to read the verbiage that's been released by the SBA loan.
And most times they feel terrible that they can't read it, but should they really know how to read it? I mean, they're business owners. We're the accountants, we're strategists, we're tax people, right? Do you think they should know how to read it?
Exactly. And most people should know by now that it's important to seek out an advisor, especially during these difficult times. The worst thing that we can do for ourselves is not be prepared. And one of the things that we could do is make sure that we're reaching out to an advisor to qualify for these loans to put ourselves in a better position.
That's right. And it needs to be a trusted advisor. One of the things that I know we pride ourselves on, and one of the things that we talk about is really having a relationship with the client first. It can't just be about the numbers. It needs to be about the whole person. That's the reason why your phone is ringing off the hook, because you've developed such a good relationship with people that they reach out to you, maybe not even knowing that you can give them that excellent advice.
Absolutely. Relationships are so important in business, especially during these times right now. You want to be able to reach out to someone who you trust, especially someone who's looked over your numbers for advisement.
That's right. That's exactly right. So for our clients who we are advising them to apply for the SBA loans, we're advising them to apply for the payroll protection program, and we know they need to have their financial statements for last year. They should have already had their taxes really forecasted out. How do you make sure that you make sure your clients have a tax forecast? What do you typically do for them?
Well, first off, we meet with our clients 9 times out of the year. Communication is the number one thing. We are always going to be prepared if we're staying in contact with each other. So our clients are meeting with us 9 times on a quarterly basis as well. So we're formulating strategies throughout the year to be prepared for moments like this.
Yeah, that's important, because it's not like when that payroll protection program came out, it was like they opened it, everybody applied, and they almost shut it down. All the money's gone. So if you're prepared, if you already have that relationship with somebody, your numbers are there, you're prepared, you're ready to go. Is there anything else that you think that business owners need to know?
No, but business owners they care about velocity, and I prefer to be first in line. And our business owners who had us, who suck out a trusted advisor, were able to qualify for those loans, and we're even hearing back from some of them that they're already receiving their checks in the mail. So I just want to say that relationships are the most important thing, and velocity is important to all business owners.
Right, that's right. I am Carla Dennis. I am America's tax advisor, and this is Carlton Dennis,
Tax strategist.